Hi, today we're gonna make curry shrimp. That's the shrimp we're gonna use. 3/4 of the pound, like 12 ounces to a pound. And the size is up to you, like that. And it's clean and the bed, you open up the bed and clean the vein in there. And after that, we're gonna marinate them. We're gonna put some white pepper, little white pepper, a little salt, and put a half an egg white in it. Probably around that much. Then you mix them together. After that, you're gonna put some cornstarch in it. See, they enough to cover the whole thing. Kind of make them all together. I think that's it. Then after that, you put little oil in it. Just like that. Okay, and that's ready. Then we're gonna start cooking them. Oh, and also we're gonna use vegetable like carrots and slice red onions and little red and orange peppers and some pea pod, some sugar peas, pea pod, and that's it. And okay, then we put some oil in it. In there. Okay, then we're gonna put that shrimp in it to brown them. And see how this you have to brown them, and if you get a high heat equipment or real high heat wok, take faster, or otherwise you take their time to kind of browning them on both sides. See, you can turn around them and see they start coming one side, to the other. They're pretty easy to cook. I mean, don't take that long to cook. And but the main idea is to browning them, so you can see them browning up on the outside. Yeah, they come out pretty good. They're getting there. Okay, then we scoop them down. We put it on the side here. And we're gonna put a little bit more oil in it. We're gonna put some ground up, probably half teaspoon of garlic, and half teaspoon of chopped up ginger. Okay. And after that, we're gonna put the onions in there. And normally people cook the onion first, you know. Try to kind of browning them first so you get the onion flavor out easier. So you're browning them first, and we put the other stuff in. A little bit more oil. You can tell by looking up in there if you get too dry, you put some oil into it. And after that, you're gonna put a couple tablespoons of cooking sherry in there. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce, dark soy sauce. Half teaspoon. And or two sesame seed oil, two teaspoons. And that's the main thing here. That's curry powder. You can use any kind of curry powder by using the Malaysia hot spicy curry powder. So we use about one tablespoon. I think we have to put a little water into it. Little water, maybe a half a quarter of the cup. Two teaspoons of sugar. You have to let it cook a little bit to get the vegetable done. If we put a little bit more, you can see the sauce is not enough sauce. So you can put a little bit more water into it, so you can see the sauce on top. You know, the little sauce on top. Okay. So you know why? Because it takes the vegetable takes little time, depending on what you cook, but it will take little time to cook through the vegetable, like the celery, carrots, and stuff like that. Now you can put the pepper in it. Usually, some people like it vegetable cooked crispy. So depend on what you're doing. I mean, what you like. I like it kind of crispy, so I ready. So you put the pea patty in it. And now you're going to put the shrimp in it. let it cook a little bit because you want to cook the pea pod a little bit and also the pepper a little bit. Well, I think that's about it. Okay, we can turn this off. Okay, that's a shrimp curry.